undertaker.
Hello, it's Grant from County Funerals, and each week we post videos about the funeral service industry and funeral related products. This week I'd like to talk to you about our funeral wish kit. What's a funeral wish kit, you may ask? Well, it's a way of you letting us know what you want to happen at your funeral without any financial commitments to a funeral director or a pre-paid plan. How does this work? You need to get in contact with us via our website, Facebook or phone, or even by post if you so choose. You give us your address or a way that we can contact you, such as an email address, and we will send you out a wish kit. This can be on physical paper or this can be via digital form. On that form, you can list all the things that you would like to happen at your funeral. For instance, what type of funeral you'd like, burial or cremation, whether you want a very traditional funeral or whether you want something less traditional, what type of coffin you'd like, what type of music you would like played at your funeral, who you would like to attend your funeral, who you wouldn't like to attend your funeral, if you want anyone to read at your funeral, particular poems you like. So you can go into as much or as little detail as you like. Then, at the time of need, whoever's arranging your funeral can get in contact with us and ask for the wish list. That can be passed on to a third party, can be passed on to another funeral directors, or we can take care of arrangements here at County Funerals. And it avoids any unnecessary and awkward conversations when you're sitting around the table organising a funeral, such as, I think Dad would have liked this, I wish Mum would have told us what type of music or prayers she would like. So it's a very easy way of making your wishes happen at your funeral. Now, if you'd like to get one of our wish lists, you can find a link to our website below, also our telephone number. If you like this video, you can like the video, you can subscribe to our channel. It really helps us if you do that. If there's a particular video you want us to see us post, let us know in the comments below and we'll do a video just for you. Remember, stay safe and we'll see you again soon.
I offer you 24-hour service. Call me 'cause I don't ever sleep.